LITE. Starting our tour on the front, you'll find a 5.65-inch 18:9 IPS display with a 2160 by 1080 resolution. Interestingly, the phone features 13MP and 2MP camera combos up front and around back. Given the secondary camera's low resolution, we assume it will be used to augment the primary camera for portrait images rather than act as a telephoto or wide-angle lens. Under the hood, Huawei's in-house octa-core Kirin 659 chipset and either 3GB or 4GB of RAM power the Honor 9 Lite. The phone sports either 32GB of 64GB of built-in storage, though the microSD card slot supports up to 256GB of extra storage. Alternatively, you can use the microSD card slot as a second SIM card slot, should you find yourself near international waters. Tragically, the Honor 9 Lite opts for micro USB rather than the newer USB Type-C. We get that the phone is positioned as an affordable option, but with the transition to the USB Type-C standard slowly becoming a thing, devices that still rely on micro USB stand apart more than ever. Moving back to the positives, the Honor 9 Lite runs Huawei's MIUI 8.0, which sits on top of Android 8.0 Oreo. The company's skin has been criticized for aesthetically moving away from what we're accustomed to seeing, though Huawei has toned things down with recent iterations. Overall, the Honor 9 Lite is a curious device, and here's why. There are three configurations: a 3GB of RAM, 32GB of storage variant for around $182, another with 4GB of RAM and 32GB of storage for $227, and a third with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage for $273. At those prices, the Honor 9 Lite somewhat encroaches on the Honor 7X's territory, and that phone comes with a slightly larger display and battery.